So there's a couple different ways to use your iPad as a whiteboard while presenting in Google Meet. The first is through Jamboard. So if you don't have the Jamboard app, make sure you go into your manager, click Self-Service, My Apps, and search for Jamboard. Make sure you install Jamboard, open up the app, and create a new Jamboard by clicking the plus sign at the bottom. So you have a new Jamboard opened up, then you're going to go to your computer and you're going to select your waffle, scroll down to Jamboard and click Jamboard under your Google Apps, and you'll see the same Jamboard you just opened on your iPad. So you're going to click to open that on your computer. In your Google Meet, you're going to present a Chrome tab, and you're going to select your Jamboard tab. Share that tab. Then with your stylus on your iPad, you can write, and it's going to automatically show up on your computer Jamboard. It's going to have a slight delay, but it will show up, and then that will be presented to your students so you have a live whiteboard. The second way to use your iPad as a whiteboard during a Google meeting is to use the Smart Notebook software. So on your computer, you're going to want to open the Smart Notebook. You do not have to be connected to your smartboard, but you do need to open the Smart Notebook. And you need to download the Maestro add-on. So I'll put a link in the video. If you click that, it will take you to where you need to download that. Once that's downloaded on your computer, you'll be able to click the puzzle piece on your Smart Notebook, and you'll see down here it says Notebook Maestro. If you click on that, it's going to give you a QR code. On your iPad, you're going to open the Smart Notebook app. And in the beginning, the first section, it says Connect to Smart Notebook Software. If you click that tile, it's going to access your iPad's camera. You're going to hold the camera up to your computer and scan that QR code. Once the QR code is scanned, it's going to automatically bring up your Smart Notebook on your iPad. Down at the bottom of your iPad, select which pen or marker tool you'd like to use, and then you can write either with your finger or a stylus on your iPad, and it will show up on your Smart Notebook on your computer. And the way to present that to your students on your computer is to go into your Google Meet, click Present, and select a window and choose your Smart Notebook window to share. Now when you write on your iPad, it automatically shows up on your computer and is presented to your students. If you're teaching in your classroom and on a Google Meet, you can open up your Smart Notebook. You can go to your Google Meet, present a window, select your Smart Notebook, and click Share. Then you can actually write on your smartboard in the classroom with your pen tools, and whatever you write with your pen tool will show up on your smartboard, which is being presented to your students, and they will be able to see what you've written on your actual smartboard.